Dear friends, welcome to my channel. We will open and chat with you about cars. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a good time. The Mercedes-Benz EQS Manufaktur's Signature Edition debuts in the United States as an even more luxurious version of the electric sedan. They begin arriving at dealers this spring. Pricing details aren't yet available. The special edition models feature high-end touches like unique paint colors and hand-stitched Nappa leather. The special edition EQS models feature a two-tone color scheme on the steering wheel, console armrest, lower section of the dashboard, and door panels. The seats feature headrest pillows with microfiber covering. High-pile carpet floor mats have a Nappa leather border and the Mercedes-Benz Star or AMG logo, depending on the model. A Manufaktur logo in high-gloss chrome is on the center console. Late in 2022, Mercedes announced the Manufaktur range of options for the EQS. They included 9 exterior colors: diamond white, hyacinth red, Côte d'Azur blue, selenite gray, night black, silicon gray, rubellite red, Kalahari gold, and vintage blue. The diamond-quilted Nappa leather included the shades rose gray, deep white, yacht blue, tobacco brown, and mystic red.